Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Landmaster side-by-side and you're wondering how to operate in case you have a power dump bed. It's real simple to do. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is operate the tailgate. So on this model, it has this slot here. It's real simple. It's actually broken at the other end. But all you need to do is, if you're gonna use the dump bed, you need to drop the tailgate first. So basically all you're gonna do is pull up until this comes out of the slot, and then this tailgate flops down. And then from there, we can come around and we have the bed up, electric bed up here. So we're just gonna press and hold. And we press and hold as this raises up. And then we let go when we wanna stop. And then we can lower it back down using the button here. And once it's all the way down, then we can just come around and close the gate, the tailgate. Again, so we gotta raise it up above here and then knock it down into that slot, and we're done. Thanks a lot for watching.